In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a lat pull down in a supine position using one of these elastic bands or looped resistance bands. You'll notice I've got a mat on the floor and I've also got this looped resistance band looped around a cable machine, and that's really important. It doesn't matter what you use as your anchor point, but just make sure it's something that's not going to move when you do the exercise, something that's of a fixed resistance. You want to be far enough away in your starter position that you're going to have your arms in a Y position, like so, one hand on one side and one hand on the other side of the band. And just so I can show you on the camera so you can see what I'm going to be doing when I'm in my position and I'm laying down. So start off in this Y position. I'm going to be pulling the band and trying to bring my elbows down and into my rib cage. My shoulder blades are not only retracting, so bringing my shoulder blades towards each other, they're also coming into scapular depression, so I'm pulling down. Think of it as elbows in the directions of your back pockets. That's what you're going to be doing. So we want to be far enough away when we're laying down to be able to grab both handles and have that nice position where we're in that Y shape with the arms. Now from here, I'm going to create some tension and pull down, elbows staying as close to that rib cage as possible, and slowly back up. When I'm coming down, I'd be breathing in, really pulling and squeezing as hard as I can. Palms are always facing up towards the ceiling, and you would repeat this for your desired amount of repetitions. Don't cheat by starting to arch the lower back, so make sure you're activating your core, pushing your lower back down as you come into the final point of the exercise and at your lat contraction. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do a lat pull down in a supine position.